A Mathematics Professor, A Career in Numbers by Chris Purdy. The definition of the occupation is that a mathematics professor in the United States is someone who teaches at the college or university level and has a PhD or equivalent degree in his or her field. A PhD is also known as a Doctor of Philosophy, and it's awarded to an individual studying at a university after several years of classes and research culminating in a dissertation. Tenure is a contract awarded to a professor after many years of service, which guarantees the professor's job will not be eliminated without a just cause. A department chair is essentially a mathematics professor who is in charge of other mathematics professors at a college. A dean is an individual who is in charge of several department chairs. A college is a 2 or 4 year school which awards students with either an associate's or bachelor's degree. Now, a university is a 4-year school which awards not only undergraduate bachelor's degrees but also awards graduate degrees such as master's or PhDs. Mathematics is the systematic study of numbers, and office hours are scheduled times not during class in which students can meet with professors in their offices. The minimum level of education is a master's degree. These are the skills needed for a mathematics professor. As you can see, some of those include critical thinking, reading comprehension, writing, speaking, active listening, complex problem solving, and much more. One college that you can go to become a mathematics professor is Massachusetts Institute of Technology, also known as MIT. The major you would choose is mathematics, and they have several emphases in there. If you chose the MIT Theoretical Mathematics emphasis, the requirements would include differential equations, analysis, algebra 1 and 2, introduction to topology, and several electives as seen here. The costs in the year 2013 through 2014 accrued to $59,020 per year, with some scholarships being available for those who qualify. Now, a typical salary of a mathematics professor falls somewhere around, on average, $70,550. Now, on the low range salary for mathematics professors, that's around $35,000. And a high range salary for mathematics professors is around $118,000. A potential employer would be San Jose State University, located in San Jose, California. As you see it pictured here in California, next to the Pacific Ocean here. Now, the cost of living, according to the living wage calculator, are here in these 8 categories in San Jose, California. Now, my average salary was, if you remember, $70,550, and I chose this category, 2 adults, 1 child. Subtracted $45,000, took 75% of that, ending up with $18,977. Then I took away another $4,000 for student loans and another 15% for savings, divided by 12, and got $366 per month of expendable income. Now, a typical career pathway, as outlined in these 2 paragraphs, is that most professors begin as TAs while they're working towards their PhD. Once they achieve their PhD, they go on to teach at a community college, perhaps, and then move on to an even larger school or university. What were the 3 most interesting things you learned? Well, first, I learned that all professors get their PhD at some point in their career because it opens up a gateway for them to get even better jobs. Secondly, I was fascinated that mathematics professors can major in several different types of mathematics, like pure mathematics, applied mathematics, or even statistics. And lastly, I enjoyed learning about San Jose, California, a wonderful prospect for an aspiring mathematics professor.